Hello everyone, today I'm going to solve one of the most asked questions related to Midjourney, and that is how to create the consistent characters with different attire, with different backgrounds while keeping the character consistent. So what I am going to do, we are in the Midjourney and let's type a prompt. Let's suppose I am going to type beautiful girl. It will be creating images with different sizes and with the images taken at different angles. Okay, so normally what it does, it generates 4 images, but we have added an additional prompt in this line. So you can see that it has created more than 4 images and we can take any one of them. So let's suppose we are going to take the first image and we are going to play with it. Let's suppose we are going to change the dress of the girl in the background. Okay, we are going to play with this. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go to settings. Okay, and when you open the settings, make sure that the remix mode is enabled because we are going to modify the existing image that we have created. So first of all, let's get started. Click on this left pan. It will show you the same prompt, but here you can add some additional features or additional items that you wish to add. So I am going to add beautiful girl wearing black leather jacket. Let's see what it provides us. Okay, so here you can clearly see that the image of the girl is consistent, but here you can see that the girl is wearing the black jacket. Here the girl is wearing a black jacket, so it has generated some options. Obviously you are going to have a hit and trial method to get the desired option, but in this phase you can keep the character consistent and change the dress or anything else you want to do. So let's play with the same image. I'm going upward once again and I'm just going to take this one and go to pan left, and here let's type with wearing black sunglasses. Okay, so here you can see that the Midjourney has provided us great results while keeping the character consistent. So these images will not be of very high resolution, but we can make it in high resolution. Let's see how. So I'm just going to grab this image, the U1. Okay, so it has scaled up this version. So I'm just going to open in the browser and copy the image. Now I'm going to Adobe Photoshop, and here you can paste it. You can simply crop this image as this was the desirable image, the girl with having sunglasses on, and simply crop it. Okay, you can see that this is the maximum resolution that we can see right now, that is at the 100%, and you can raise the resolution. Let's see how. But before that, let's extend the right and left portion by using the generative fill option. So it has given us 3 options and all of them looks fine, so let's stick to this one. I'm just going to flatten the image. Okay, so if you are going to have the image with a greater dimension, so what you need to do, simply go to filter, neural filters, and from here select the super zoom option, just enable it, and the output you need in you can have it in a new document and simply just scale it up. Let's suppose I'm going to zoom the image 4 times and just hit generate. So here you can see that the Photoshop has scaled up the image and provided us great results while keeping the consistency of the character, and the super zoom feature is must is as a magic, you can say. So I believe that you must have enjoyed this tutorial and it will help you in creating the consistent characters in Midjourney and then modifying in Adobe Photoshop.